Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at SMCI stock, and let's identify, guys, how high can SMCI go from here? What are the price targets or the levels to watch on this thing? So if you have been seeing my videos, well, especially the one that I did over the weekend, guys, you don't want to miss out the videos if you are trading SMCI or any of the stocks. Look at SMCI. I talked about, is this the pullback to buy that we got? So look at it. Since then, we have been going up. And conclusion of that video was, yes, it's just a pullback and can be bought back up. And that's why I have that blue box as well down there. But anyways, before going further, I want to let you know that none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. All right, do your own thing. I'm just sharing my opinion here. So let's start off with a little bit of background on this thing. So this is where I had a short play on this, right? And I started to size out at this significant level of 762 almost, because this thing started to hold a really good support. And when this green candle came, I was like, I'm fully out of this position. Then the next 2 days, it was giving us red candles, but I said, sit on the sideline. This is not giving a downside flush right now, $762 break. It's not giving that, but it's not even getting bullish because it's just was not strong enough. And then it was just game to sit on the sideline with, if we would have broken above $803, one of the significant level, this was a structural change to the upside again. So we got that move, right? Flush never came, and that's why we have to do the level trading and with the price structure. So this is why I was sitting on the sideline here. And then the structure came break to the upside, 803, that was the confirmation, or almost 804, that was the confirmation. And we shot up. We took out 20 and 50 days moving average in one single green candle. Right over there, I was saying that any pullback, if it comes, is just a buy as long as we stay above or into this blue box from the level of 821 to 835 almost. We are just bullish, all right, as long as we stay above this blue box now. And any pullback that will come into this is a potential candidate to be just bought back up with the stop loss on the other side. We got this red candle on Friday. I talked about it in my video over the weekend. This is just a pullback. Anything, if we stay above or into this blue box, we are just it's a bullish thing. With the stop loss on the other side, things can be played to the upside. We are getting that really strong green candle, and yeah, structure is bullish, guys. You can see that pullback has continued to the upside. Now what from here? How high can we go? Well, so SMCI does what? The daily range is like $55 almost. Today it's already at $60 range, but that's a give or take. It's, range it has been doing lately. And so, well, I would say that forget what's the range it's doing, but I would say that it has a potential to go all the way up to 972. Again, nothing is guaranteed, but in my opinion, at least there is a room that we can get to 972, and this is where some supply zone is. It's a strong supply zone, I would not argue. It's a small supply zone, but until then it has a room, at least in my opinion, to get up there. Until from where the price is right now, until where is the structure bullish? Well, guys, right now, like we have also taken out 882. Any pullback, even if it comes to 855, that's still going to keep the structure bullish on this thing. This thing can stay up. Pullbacks on this for a couple of days, in my opinion, are just a buy, and this thing can continue higher and higher. This is not a bearish play. Taking a look again, I mean, that's the thing, guys. That's what I have been saying. Anything into that blue box is just a buy. And this was another thing I talked about, that let it on. Now we are on the hourly interval. Once we get out of this trend line, yes, this intraday shorts were coming, right? But I said that at this time, it's still more of a long play. You can go and check out my video on my channel that I did over the weekend. It's right over here, right? And so that, yes, even though these intraday cool-offs are coming, but since we have this trend line, and also this blue box, most likely we're going to stay bullish. And once we get out of this trend line and stay above into this blue box, you can see we got out of this trend line, right? And we stayed above the blue box into the pullback, shot straight back up. Everything went as how we planned. So yes, that was the time to take position. This is the time to take partial profits as well. Take some partial profits always in the extensions. But SMCI is full on bullish. No sign of downside right now on this thing. And this thing is rocketing, guys, rocketing. All right, so that's SMCI, and I think, yeah, it will just continue higher. The structure on this is from where it is right now is still bullish as long as we are above not just 882, but also above 854. We are just going to stay bullish on this thing. Cool. Also, I did a video on NVIDIA this morning. Check it out on my channel if you are interested. Levels to watch, I talked about it. I'm gonna also just really quickly show you what happened since then on NVIDIA. So going to the hourly interval, we kept holding the support at our one of the levels. That pullback was potential on intraday. Cool off 129 and 72 cents or 60 cents, whatever. I'm not going to go penny to penny perfect, but that's where NVIDIA just did a pullback and is going back up. So at least on the intraday, first couple of minutes were a short play, but then as how we planned, because we're in the uptrend structure, this level 129 and 70 cents or so was a zone of a support, and that's what I said. This is where if any play has to taken can be taken on intraday rebound play or whatever with the stop loss on the other side, and partial profits can be taken out all the way through. It has also taken out 20 hours moving average now, and it has been continuing higher. So yep, this is still strong. NVIDIA is still in full-on bullish structure. That's what I have been saying, guys. Any pull, again, the structure is bullish on this so much that anything until 125 dollars is just a bullish thing on this thing. Any pullback if it comes even. So anyways, things have been bullish. Semiconductors have been really turning around again. Look at it, so strong still. Wow. Tesla looking great as well. Little bit some sell-off now, but it's still good. Quite high up. I'll do another video later today on this. This one was more specifically for SMCI, guys. Anyways, if you found this video helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe, and if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.